Hi, I'm Christopher with Funtown RV, and today we're going to do the walkthrough on the RiverStone 39RKFB. Come on, let's take a look. So right here on our first door, on our door side, we have our propane tanks right here. You're switching between these two tanks right here. That way you don't have to walk to the other side to switch it out. Also right here, we have our Furion cameras that are already mounted on around the camper. I'll make sure to point those out as we go through. These you'll use as you're going down the road. As we walk forward right here, this is going to be our large pass-through storage. You could almost fit another camper in here with this size right here. We have our vacuum right here in the bag right behind it. So you're able to hook up, vacuum out this bay, but it's also going to be the bag for your inside bay. We have our hose for our quick connect, and we have a plug right up here. That way if you need to plug anything in. Then right here, we have an outside plug. And then our steps right here, real light, easy to pull up. They adjust just by pushing these, go up and down. That way, any terrain that we're on, we're able to have these level. As we walk through, you'll see the Solaire 12-volt awnings. They are easy to handle, easy to go out. It's just button pushed. One great thing about them is when it rains, they will actually collapse themselves to be able to let the water off, and you don't have to manage that. We have our outside speakers for our TV right here. And then if you're not using it, just real easy hatch to close. Now that we're on the back side, I have three key things to point out. First is going to be our receiver right down here with a weight held up to 300 pounds. That's going to be for any of your bike racks, luggage racks, easy to put back here. Also, next thing is going to be our camera that is already installed. It's a great feature. And then our ladder. Ladders make it a walkable roof, easy to clean. Whenever you get the leaves on there, you want to make sure to clean it off. Right here in the back corner, we're going to have our 50 amp cord. That's going to be, you'll hook that up anytime you are at your, hooking up to your generator or at the power pole. Right here, we're going to have our low point drains. That's how you access that, and that's how for your ice maker right there. Easy access for those. Then our next hatch right here, this is actually where the trash can goes. When we get inside, I'll show you in the kitchen where you get to put that through. And then we are at the other side of our pass-through storage. That's why the key thing, it is pass-through. Our first little cargo area right here, that is going to be for the hydraulic part of your leveling system. So it is a hydraulic leveling system. We have our 1500 watt power inverter. All right, so right here, guys, we're going to have a couple of different things. This is going to be where your satellite cable and hookup right here. You're switching between tanks, whether it's your city tank, dry camping, or winterization. We have our battery disconnect up top. Our water filter goes here. And then this is how you drain your tanks and bypass your water heater. And then we have a nice light up here. That way, whether it's nighttime or daytime, we're able to see. Our next compartment right here is going to be for our batteries. Thank you for taking a look at the outside. Please like, share, and follow. We're actually going to go inside now and take a look at a couple of different things. We're going to take a look at the controls right here. This is how you're going to handle all your lights, your HVAC, your slides, or just go to your home screen and you'll see your tank levels and what your battery's at. We're at a 13.2. We're able to see the temperature and set it from this screen as well. Also right here, this is where we'll control our tankless water heater. Next right here, we have a great spacious bathroom. So one of the great features inside this camper is going to be the actual auxiliary fan remote. So instead of having to hit the button up below, you can actually set it to the different settings that you want. And it has a rain gauge on it as well. So if it starts raining, it'll close itself. And then if you have a chance to take a look in this one, we have the washer and dryer on the inside. So it is actually included in this unit. We have a porcelain toilet and plenty of storage in here. So right over here, one of the great features that a lot of customers are liking is we actually have the desk in here. So you're able to do your office work, you're able to go on the road, whether you're long-term living in the camper or maybe just planning a 6-month trip. There's a lot of use that we're getting out of there, or the kids doing homework. And then right here, we transfer into the dinette. We have the 2 tables right here with the chairs. And then we go straight into the kitchen. So on this one, we have plenty of pantry space with the pull-outs and tons of room. So again, whether you're long-term camping or just a couple of weeks. Even more storage up top. That's where you hide the snacks from the kids. And then we have our double door residential fridge. And then our freezer with the ice maker. Hard countertops, plenty of storage again throughout the cabinets. And then we have the gas stove and oven. So great features, plenty of room to cook a turkey. Double sink right here. And then if you just need the counter space, flip around, super easy. Now I told you on the outside we'd be able to take a look where that trash came in. So they made it super easy. So you don't have to have a trash can in here take up the space. You just drop the trash right there into your trash can and then put this right back and you still have your counter space. All right, one of the other key features that you want to see in this camper is going to be our dishwasher. It is fantastic. You know, me personally, I never like to do the dishes. Well, now we were nice enough to put a dishwasher in the camper. And then also, we have this, pops up, gives us that extra counter space. All right, as we continue into the living room, we have our 2 power recliners, and then our fold-out couch right there. And then one other key feature that you need to see here is going to be our light control. So let's say you're sitting here and you want to change our lights, you're able to do so on this control panel. And then we have our fireplace right here that actually does produce heat, and it gives the ambiance, and you're able to change the different colors. So whether you click through it, and you can change the brightness as well. Then we have the JBL sound bar in here. It's great sound. You want to make sure, if you want to jam out to your music or watch a surround sound movie, you can. And then they gave you room for a DVD player, or Xbox, or PlayStation. We have the great big TV in the camper. And then the other great feature, they didn't leave out any details. RiverStone didn't. This great accent wall really brings the whole room together. So before we head off into the bedroom, I want to be able to show you 2 key things that we love about this camper. We have our infinity light and our ceiling fan. They are great adds to this. They are included in this camper, just like the washer and dryer and the dishwasher. Now let's head off to the bedroom and take a look at that. All right, now that we're in the bedroom, we have this lovely king-size bed. We have the lights up top for either side, plugs and USBs on the side, and then right here is one of our favorite features. It is your clothes hamper. That'll be the part where you just throw your dirty clothes in there, and there's a bag in there to catch them. And we have drawers and cubbies on both sides. Then we'll flip over to this side. We're going to have your drawers and your storage and your TV right here. And then we have more storage right here. And then we'll continue on into the bathroom, and we'll take a look at your bathroom and your master closet. So now that we're in the bathroom, there's some awesome features I want to be able to show you about. So first off, we have his and her sinks, plenty of storage below, but some of the cool things, maybe it's first thing in the morning, lights aren't your thing. We'll turn off the ceiling light. We have our accent light. So we're still getting light in here. You can still see, but not as bright. Or if you need to wake up right away, we can turn it back on. We have a porcelain toilet, just like you're going to have at home. Our towel rack right here. Same fan remote that we're going to have in our other bathroom. Plenty of storage for your towels and toiletries. And then a large walk-in shower with the seat right here. Now we're going to take a look at the closet. We have your coat rack right here. We have hanging room double on both sides. Plenty of space in here. And now we'll head back out. I'm Christopher with Funtown RV. Thank you for doing the walkthrough with us on the RiverStone 39RKFB. Make sure to like, share, and follow. And remember, the fun starts here.